Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today in our lecture, we will discuss about the sequence alignment concept of global and the local alignment. Here is the showing of the diagram, the local alignment and the global alignment. In the local alignment, we have to study about the if you find the two similarity between two sequences, you have to here the showing some target sequence. This is the query sequence. So if you find the similarity between target sequence and the query sequence in a local alignment, you have to find particular local region for the similarity. If you find in a particular region like this, if you find this particular locus, you have find similarity. So this is called a local alignment. In the global alignment, if you find similarity between two sequences, you have to study the whole genome sequences for the find the similarity between these two sequences. There is a difference between the local sequence alignment and the global sequence alignment. In the global sequence alignment, you have to attempt the made of the aligning the entire sequence, as I told you before. And in the local sequence, you end up find between two similarity between region for the highest level of the local particular region. In the local alignment, contain all letter both are query target sequences, and the local alignment as the string substring of the query sequence to substring of the target sequence. If two sequences have approximately the same length and are quite similar, they are suitable for the global alignment. In the local alignment, any two sequences can be locally aligned as a local alignment, fine stretching of the sequence with the high level of matches without considering the alignment of the rest of the sequence region. And the global alignment, suitable for the aligning two closely related sequence, and its local alignment suitable for the aligning for the more divergent sequence or the distantly related sequences. Global alignment are usually done for the comparing homologous gene, like comparing two genes with same function like human versus mouse, or comparing two proteins with the similar function, used for the finding some conserved pattern in the DNA sequence or the conserved domains for the motifs in a two proteins. A general global alignment technique is the Needleman-Wishman algorithm, and the local alignment is the general local alignment method, the Smith-Waterman algorithm. Example of the global alignment tools are the emboss, needle, and the Needleman-Wunsch global aligned nucleotide sequence, which is specialized by the BLAST. Example of the local alignment tools are the BLAST, emboss, water, and the line. So this is all about the global and local alignment and the sequence alignment. If you have any query, write down in comment box. Thank you.